Welcome to our Ask an Accountants page. It's a quick and simple service that we've introduced to enable you to ask any questions you might have, no matter how silly they may seem to you, about any tax or business that you may have. As chartered accountants with over 40 years of experience, with lots and lots of different businesses, we've got to guarantee that the answers that we give you will be accurate and reliable, and enable you to make better business decisions and tax decisions. So what typical questions do we get? We get lots of questions about the VAT. There's lots of businesses that are growing, expanding at the moment, and they want to know, when do I start charging VAT? How much do I have to be earning to charge VAT? And the answer to that is £79,000. And one of our clients is a cake shop. He sells cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are zero rated for VAT purposes, but chocolate covered cookies are standard rated. This is one of HMRC's very, very finicky rules, that who knew that cookies could be so complicated. So we go for everything from VAT to expenses. What expenses can I claim? Can I claim my lunch? No. Can I claim my travel? Yes and no. If it's your normal commute, you can't claim it. If it's travel to another, like your client's premises, you can. Can I claim the Ashes tickets for me and my mates as a business expense? No. That's a personal benefit, clearly. So from there to starting up, you're one-man band, you're expanding, you want to employ someone else or an assistant. How do you go about doing that? There's very, well, straightforward for us, but not as straightforward for everybody. HMRC introduced this new thing called RTI, which means real-time information. And that basically just increases your admin burden by 12 times. Instead of reporting once a year, you now have to report every month how much you pay your employees, which is not really fair, but what are you going to do? So for everything these small, sort of very, very easy for us to understand, but maybe not for you, to more complicated things like international tax. If you live abroad for part of the year, or if you work abroad, how do you deal with the tax on that income? Do you want to be taxed twice, both in that company and at home, or not? Well, the answer is you're not, but for information, it might vary based on your circumstances. So use our Ask an Accountant service, and we'll answer that question for you. As always, I've covered lots of this information in our blogs, which are on our website, and the point of the blogs is that it's information that our clients want rather than just unnecessary information. So and they're really, really well written, even if I do say so myself, and they're pushed. We publish them on Twitter and Facebook, so it's very, very accessible. If you have a look and you like it, comment on them, or just give us an email if you have any other questions about that. If you obviously your questions aren't just limited to this Ask an Accountant service, you can answer your question if you want to just email us, or if you play it old school, and just give us a call. We've got our one ring challenge, which my boss Hasib mentioned in our other video, so we're sticking by that. Okay, thank you very much.